back of my head.
Well, I only have so many, Mom.
There's one there on the floor.
Ridiculous. A before and after. Before, this is what you get. And after the curly locks, what do they call?
I don't know.
Well, I'm sorry, dear.
It feels so.
It feels like you have dreadlocks, huh?
If I knew what dreadlocks felt like. Claire is just fascinated.
Sorry. I gotta redo that one.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
No.
This is so going on my YouTube channel.
Really?
All right, we'll come back. We'll come back for part 2, the uncurling, shortly.